understanding the interconnectivity of our own planet's climate will be crucial if we ever want to settle on other planets or even terraform. If humans eventually undertake the huge task of terraforming Mars, Mercury, Venus, or the Moon, or perhaps even an exoplanet in some other part of the Milky Way galaxy, our success will likely depend on our ability to understand the various inputs and feedback loops that intricately interlink climate systems and biospheres. That day may seem far off, but it isn't too early to start dreaming. If there's one thing El Niño shows us, it's that the winds of our planet work under vast cycles that ebb and flow over the course of years. However, El Niño is not the only example of this. If earlier in this podcast you appreciated my Game of Thrones reference, "Winter is coming," you may appreciate that this is a reference that keeps on giving. In A Game of Thrones, the armies of the Night King in the north are trapped behind a giant wall. Just like in the TV show, it turns out that on Earth there exists a powerful, icy force to the north that is seeking to overthrow its bounds and rush southward. That powerful winter is also kept at bay by a mighty wall, one that allows the nations to the south to enjoy relatively tranquil conditions. And just like in the TV show, that wall eventually gets breached in a wave of ice that sweeps down and threatens the lives of all those in its way.